Let's check out the review for how to solve the reload ammunition. So let's open up our script. The first thing I need to do is basically have some sort of reload method, right? And this method needs to allow me to basically delay time 1.5 seconds, right? So that should have given you a hint that you're going to be using a coroutine, which is an IE numerator. So here I can say IE numerator and we'll say reload. I'm going to wait 1.5 seconds. So we're going to say yield return new, wait for seconds. You can think of an IE numerator or a coroutine as the ability to pause within a function. So here we have a yield return new, wait for seconds. How many seconds am I going to wait? About 1.5 seconds. And then I'm going to basically say current ammo is going to then be assigned to max ammo. Now that right there is the process of actually reloading. The current ammo equals max ammo. The delay is just so that if we had an animation for reloading, we could go ahead and play that animation, and then we can set the ammo back to max. If I go ahead and save this, nothing's going to happen just yet because we never started the coroutine. So where do I want to start this coroutine? Well, it's when I hit the R key. So here, if I hit the R key, I need to reload. So if input, get key down, and if I hit the key code .r, then what I need to do is say start coroutine, and I'm going to say reload is the method, and initialize it, just like that. We'll go ahead and save this, and let's go ahead and run the game. We may run into an issue with multi-reloading though. So check this out. I'm going to go ahead and fire off 50 rounds, and then I'm going to hit R. And actually that worked quite nicely. However, what happens if I were to hit R multiple times, if I spam it? You'll notice that it's finicky. It's very finicky. And the reason why it's finicky is because basically I can reload while in the process of reloading. Every time you start a coroutine, if it has yet to finish, it will restart. So we only want to be able to call that coroutine if we're not reloading. So we need to create some sort of tool or variable, something to help us know if we're reloading. And that's where variables come in. We're going to create a bool variable that's basically going to determine true or false if we're reloading or not. So here I'm going to go ahead and say private bool, we'll say is reloading. All right, so here we go. Private bool is reloading. And it's going to be set to false. That bool then becomes true when I actually reload, which is here. We're going to say reloading is reloading equals true. And then what we want to do is we only want to allow this code to run if is reloading is false. So here we hit the R key and is reloading is equal to false. Then only then can we reload and start the coroutine. Now that means that we need to set this bool to false eventually, because otherwise you'll only be able to reload once throughout the game and you'll never be able to reload again. So to demonstrate that, if I go ahead and run this, and if I go ahead and fire here throughout all my rounds, you'll see here I'm going to reload and I should have more ammo now. However, I'm going to hit reload again and literally nothing will happen. The reason for that is because the program still thinks I'm reloading. So what I need to do is I need to hop back in here and I need to turn is reloading to false after we've reloaded. So current ammo equals max ammo, and then we're going to say is reloading equal to false so that we can reload again in the near future. We'll go ahead and save this, test it out. I'm going to mute my audio now, just so that you guys don't hear all the bullet sprays. And we'll go ahead and see here, here's my bullets. I reload, 1.5 seconds later, I can shoot again. And if I reload again, I can go ahead and fire again. Alrighty, that's the ammunition system. Very quick and simple. And we have now completed our weapon setup. We have one more video left to do, and that is to display our ammo count, which we'll do together in the next video.